In this video, I'll show you how to actually buy USDT on Kraken app. In order to do this, what we can do is we can head over and click onto this buy option that we can see right here into your screen. So for this one, it will ask first of your mobile number. So just head over and provide it from in here. So from in there, just provide it. If you haven't registered yet, you can put that right there. And then make sure to input right here your info. Now from there, click on the discontinue and input your date of birth. This because you actually need to have an account or to have a verified account in order to buy USDT. So just input right here your address. Once you have actually inputted right here, just head over and then continue with the purchase and then just input your actual occupation aside from this hustle. And then once you have done that, you should be able to now actually buy a crypto or USDT from Kraken app. So just continue with this and you should be done.